Hi everyone, welcome back to Chat Explain, where we learn the market the easy way. Before going into the video, first answer me some questions. Can you buy shares without a Demat account? Why does everyone say open a Demat account before investing? Let's clear this confusion once and for all. In this video, you will understand what a Demat account is, why it is needed, and how it works in a very simple manner. Now come to the first section of the video. What is a Demat account? A Demat account is like a digital locker. Just like bank account holds the money, a Demat account holds shares, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds. Demat means dematerialized, which means shares in electronic form, not in the form of paper. Let us come to the section 2. Why is a Demat account needed? Earlier, shares were given in paper certificates. They could be lost, damaged, can be fake also. So, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, made Demat account mandatory. So now, in electronic form, the Demat account is safe, paperless, easy to buy and sell also. Let's come to a simple example. We will understand how Demat account works. Suppose you buy 10 shares of TCS. Where will those shares go? Not in your bank, not in your email. They go into your Demat account. When you sell them, shares go out of your Demat account and money comes back to your bank account. Now we will understand Demat account versus trading account. This is where most beginners get confused. Trading account is used to buy and sell, whereas Demat account is used to store the shares. You need both and they work together. So most of the applications provide both trading and Demat account in one place only. Now come to the section 5, that is who provides Demat account. Demat accounts are provided by depository participants like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, Angel One, banks like ICICI, SDFC. All these depository participants provides Demat accounts and they are connected to NSDL and CDSL. NSDL and CDSL are depository securities services. You might not know all these terms yet, and that's okay. We will understand them step by step in the upcoming videos. Now come to the final section. Is Demat account safe? Yes, Demat accounts are safe and regulated by SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. But always choose a trusted broker. Protect your login with password. Don't fall for tips and scams. Let's do a quick revision what we learned in this video. So first point, Demat account stores your shares. If you want to invest in stock market, then Demat account is mandatory. It always works with a trading account. Both Demat and trading account works together, and it is fully digital and safe. It is regulated by SEBI. So that's it for today guys. If this video helps you, like the video, subscribe to Chat Explain. See you soon. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.